Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Majid Raza, Department of Microbiology, BSN semester, Cohort University of Science and Technology, Cohort. Today we will discuss the topic which are taken from article In vitro and inhibitory activities of Barbaris virgularis against Leishmania tropica promestigotes, which are published by Ahmed Albigan 2019 and Universal Journal of Pharmaceutical Research, which are available at Department of Parasitology, Faculty of Medicine, Cellular Barrier, University Manisa, Turkey. This is outline, introduction, method and material, plant material, preparation of plant extract, photochemical analysis of plant extract, results, conclusion, and references. First of all, we'll discuss introduction. Barbaris virgularis L is a native to Central and Southern Europe, Western Asia, and Northwest Africa. The root, bark, leaves, and fruit of barberries are used in traditional medicine. The plant is a sharp 1-3 ml tall, spiny with yellow wood and small oval leaves bearing yellow flower and red oval fruits. Medicinal properties for all the parts of the plants have been reported, including tonic, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory. The main bioactive components of this plant are reported to be the alkaloids such as berberine, plamentine, and particularly berberine. Leishmaniasis is a protozoan parasitic disease found in 16 developed and 72 developing countries with 12 million cases. The cutaneous leishmaniasis, most common type of leishmaniasis, was reported to be an infecting 1.5 million people annually worldwide. Over 90% of cases are reported from countries such as Afghanistan, Iraq, Pakistan, Iran. Plant-derived compounds and extract are known to be valuable sources for the treatment of various diseases. The aim of the present study was to determine the in vitro anti-leishmaniasis efficacy of ethanol extract prepared from the aerial part of Barbaris virgularis against Leishmania tropica promestigotes, and cytotoxic activities of the plant extract was also measured using a WST1 cell proliferation assay. Material and methods. First, plant material. Barbaris virgularis aerial parts are collected from Spale Mountain, Manisa, Turkey. Preparation of plant extract. The air-dried and ground aerial part of Barbaris virgularis were extracted and ethanol with stirring at room temperature. The extractant yield was determined as 3.6%. Phytochemical analysis of plant extract. Phytochemical screening test for the plant's secondary metabolites such as tannins, terpenoids, flavonoids, and alkaloids were conducted on plant extract. Anti-leishmanial assay. A range of concentration of plant extract 25 to 500 microgram per ml were prepared for an in vitro anti-leishmanial assay. The hemocentimeter counting of living Leishmania tropica promestigotes and rPMI 1640 medium was preferred for in vitro assessments. Determination of cytotoxic activities of plant extract. The consecutive concentration of plant extract within 1 nanometer 200 micrometer were prepared, and IC50 levels were determined by using Excelgene's real-time cell analyzer N96 HOR. A total of 2 multiplied by 106 per ml cell were distributed for each cell line and plates having 96 gold-coated bell, including the control group without plant extract. Each assessment was run and replicate. The colorimetric change was determined quantitatively at 450 nanometer and 600 nanometer references interval by using a multi-scan thermoscientific macroplates reader. Results: the preliminary phytochemical analysis result for the titanic extraction of aerial part of Barbaris virgularis were positive for flavonoids, titanius, and anthracenes, terpenoids, and alkaloids. The cytotoxic activities of plant extract was determined against W138 butyl lung fibroblast cell line by real-time analyzer. The number of parasites at different concentration of extract and references drug glucantime was shown in Figure 1. The parasite inhibition was observed between 88.0 plus minus 0.04 and 100 plus minus 0.00% in the presence of Barbaris vulgaris ethanol extract. When measured in comparison with the glucantime treated reference group of a time interval of 12 to 72 hours, the plant extract with IC50 value of 444.81 plus minus 2.112 microgram per ml was not found to be significantly cytotoxic against lung fibroblast cell lines. This is the parasitic inhibition percentage of Barbaris virgularis ethanolic extract. Barbaris virgularis extract microgram per meter 12 hours, 24 hours, and 48 to 72 hours. This is graph in vitro anti-leishmanial activities of ethanol extract of Barbaris virgularis. Conclusion: this is the first study that involved the assessment of in vitro anti-leishmanial activities of Barbaris virgularis growing widely in Turkey. Further in vivo studies are required to articulate the potential mechanism of action and identify the structure of compound responsible for the observed anti-leishmanial activities. The result demonstrated that ethanolic extraction of Barbaris virgularis promoting and it could be used as a source of anti-leishmanial agent in future. References: this is also references. Thank you.